I 25F have an older brother 28M. Growing up my mom spoiled him a lot, and still has a habit excusing his behavior because that's her son. This situation has completely fractured my family, and now I'm being told I'm a terrible sister. My brother was in a long-term relationship with his ex-girlfriend Lena 27F. They have a son together who is now 5. Lena and I became very close during their relationship. And even after they broke up, I stayed involved in my nephew's life. I babysit, help with school stuff, and I'm basically one of his safe adults. When my nephew was around 2, my brother left. Not just emotionally, he abandoned them. He moved out, stopped helping financially, barely called, and eventually cut contact entirely after getting involved with another woman. Lena struggled a lot during that time, but she stepped up and did everything for their child on her own. My brother never paid consistent child support and would disappear for months at a time. Fast forward to last year. My brother suddenly reappears, saying he misses his son and wants to be involved again. However, his first move wasn't apologizing or easing back, and he was demanding Lena's current address and threatening legal action. Lena had moved for safety and stability and didn't want him showing up unannounced, so she asked me not to give it out. When my brother asked me for her address, I refused. I told him that if he wanted to see his son, he needed to go through proper legal channels and rebuild trust. He accused me of choosing his ex over him and said I was betraying family. Eventually, he found her address on his own and immediately filed for custody, asking for far more than he'd ever been involved enough to handle. The case went to court, and I was asked to testify. I told the truth that he had been absent for years, that Lena was the primary and consistent parent, and that my brother only reappeared after starting a new relationship and wanting to look like a family man. The judge ruled against him. He didn't lose all rights, but he did not get the custody arrangement he wanted. Now my brother is furious with me. He says I should have lied or at least kept my mouth shut because we're siblings. My mom agrees with him, and keeps telling me I ruined his chance to start over and be a better father. She says family loyalty should come before outsiders, even when kids are involved. I don't feel guilty for telling the truth, especially when my nephew's stability was on the line. But being iced out by my mom and constantly attacked by my brother is wearing me down. So Aita for refusing to help my brother and testifying against him in court.